Okay, we're going to do some solving equations in algebra level 2, and these are linear equations, so there's no x squared terms in them. The whole idea is to get the x on one side and the numbers on the other. So starting off here, 2 times some number plus 12 equals negative 4. So adding 12, we're going to subtract 12. So 2x equals negative 4, take off 12 is negative 16. X therefore must equal negative 16 divided by 2. X equals negative 8. Okay, the next one, we've got some number times 5 plus 3 equals the same number times 4 plus 11. Okay, so I'm going to take the x's to the side. 5x subtract 4x, bring it over, equals 11 subtract 3. X must therefore equal 11 subtract 3 equals 8. Now, on your graphics calculator, I would also encourage you to use the equation function. So in equation, you need to select equation and try F3 solver. And it's just a quick step to do to check that you are doing them correctly. So 5x, and you use that button, I'll show you, 5x and use that button just here, plus 3 equals, to get the equal sign you need to press shift and the space button down here, and that gives you the equal sign. 4x plus 11, was it? Yeah, plus 11. And on your screen here you see you've got the equations in here. You need to hit solve, so enter it by pushing exe and then solve, and they've come out with x equals 8, and that's what we've got as well, x equals 8. Okay, so just remember that's there for you to check some of these equations. Now expanding, this is the next one here, negative 3 times x gives me negative 3x plus 6 equals 4x minus 20. I'm going to bring my 3x, negative 3x here over to this side. It's going to be 7x. My negative 20 is going to become plus 20, so it's 26. So therefore, I'll write it out the side here, x equals 26 divided by 7. So make sure you do that step right. So 7 times some number, divide by 7. Okay, 4m plus 2 equals 7, take off m. So I'm going to move my m across here. It'll be 6m plus 2 minus 2, 5. So I took the 2 off both sides. So m equals 5 divided by 6. Notice it's the number next to the m that goes underneath. You're dividing by that number there. If you want to just try that again with your calculator, so here you'd hit exit. That would take you back to there. You can delete, so delete F1, deletes that formula. So we're going to put in the formula again, and this one was 5m using x obviously, plus 2 equals 7 minus m. So equals 7 minus m. And just double check I've got it the same. 5x plus 2 and 7 minus m, and that's on the screen as well. So I enter it, so entering it, pressing exe button, and then I have to press solve, F6, and it's telling me that the answer is 0.833333. So I say to myself, well, it's 0.833335 divided by 6. So how do I check that? I go to main menu, 1, run, and 5 divided by 6. And it was 0.8333, so I've got it right. Okay, moving on. Breaking the 3 up means to multiply it across this way, and bring the 5 up and multiply that 5 across that way. So it becomes 3x on the side equals 5x plus 2. Remember, you've got to multiply everything by 5. So that's 5x plus 6 is 3x. And what we need to do now is to move the 5x across, so it's going to become minus 2x equals 6. So x equals 6 divided by minus 2, which equals negative 3. So just as a quick check, you could put x into the equation of negative 3. So x divided by negative 3 is negative 3 over 5. And then this one here will be negative 3 plus 2. So negative 3 plus 2 over 3, which is negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1 over 3. I'm having a mistake. Apologies. 5 2s are 10. So make that a 10. And that will be a 10. And that will be a 5. Okay, so it will be negative 5 over 5. And this one here will be negative 5 plus 2 over 3. Yes, negative 5 plus 2 is 3. So negative 5 over 5 certainly equals 3 over, negative 3 over 3, which is negative 1. Yeah, double checking. And that was good because I found my mistake. Alright, so moving on to the next one, we're going to have a 6 come up. So 6 times x minus 1, and the 2 goes to the other side, 2x plus 5. So very carefully multiplying it this time. 6x minus 6 equals 2x plus 10. Take my 2x across, 4x. Take my 6 across, x equals 4x times 4 times some number x equals 16. X must equal 4, and I'm going to check again. 4 subtract 1 is 3, that's 3 over 2. 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 over 6. Does 3 over 2 equal 9 over 6? It does, so therefore I've got the right answer. Alright, number 7. The interesting thing here is we're dividing 4 by 4, then adding 2 to equal 6x. And what a lot of students do is they multiply through by 4 to the other side, forgetting that if they're going to do that, they've got to multiply this 2 by 4. So my advice is don't multiply by 4 first, move the 2 across. So you're going to have 3x plus 2 equals 6x, take away 2. So I'm moving that 2 across first. Now, to do it times by 4, I simply do that. So now I'm going to have 3x plus 2 equals 24x minus 8. That's going to be 21x, and the 8 comes across here. Instead of subtracting 8 equals 10. So therefore x equals 10 divided by 21. And this is definitely one where I'm going to use my calculator. If there's right up at front, I'm going to go 10 divided by 21 and find out that equals 0.47619 before I try my go to main menu, equation, and it's just going to take a little bit of extra put in, but delete that first one, so have a nice clean screen, and we're going to put in the equation 3x plus 2, so I need some brackets right away. So open bracket, 3x plus 2, and then it's going to be all divided by 4, so close bracket, divided by 4, and then add 2 to that, equals, shift dot, 6x. Now, I am a bit concerned about this, so I'm going to actually insert another bracket there and another bracket here, because I just want to make sure that it's doing that all in the right order. I enter it, and then I put solver in, and there we go, we got the right answer, 0.467, which is what I had over here, 0.47619, 0.47619. Excellent. Right, so it does pay to check. This one here, a little bit more detail. We need to slow down and make sure that the 4 is moved and the 3 is moved before we start multiplying. So I'm going to have 7x plus 3 equals 15x plus 3 minus 4. Sorry, divide by 5 and divide by 3. And then I'm just going to move across this way. I'm going to have 7x plus 3 divided by 3 is going to be just 7x plus 3. So sorry, I'm just taking back the 7x plus 3. I'm going to move the 3 across. The 15x divided by 5x, that actually is just 3x. Okay, we can simplify that. Plus 3 minus 4 is minus 1. And remember, I've got to bring that 3 up, so it's 3 in front of that. Okay, so now we've got 7x plus 3 equals 9x minus 3. I'm going to take my 7x this way, 2x, and I'm going to have 6. X must therefore equal 3. And again, just put that 3 back into the original equation. What's 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 3 is 24, divided by 3. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 12. And on the other side, 3 times 15 is 45. 45 divided by 5 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. So yes, it works. Always handy to go back and check. Right, my last one I've got down here, 2 plus b, subtract 5 by the 4, b minus 4. Do not move the 4 first, move the 2 first. So b minus 5 divided by 4 equals b minus 1 minus 2. So plus 2 becomes minus 2, which equals b minus 3. And now you can put the 4 in the front. B minus 5 equals, instead of dividing by 4, on the other side we're multiplying. 4b minus 12. B minus 5. So therefore we have 3b minus 12 becomes plus 12. So 12 take off is 7. And then, moving it up. 7 divided by 3 equals b, or b equals 7 divided by 3. And you can check that on your calculator if you want to.